Watch this part, the little one is about to jump.
Wow, he's so fast!
Just like you boys.
Come on, my dears. Here's some more for you.
Your turn!
Okay, here we go. A 5, up you go.
Yay, my turn!
The rain makes everything so fresh.
It does. A perfect day for a walk.
It is. The fields look lovely.
Did you get one?
Yes, a small one.
Look what Grandpa caught.
Wow, it's so big! Cool! Can we eat tonight?
Hey, you bet.
This is yummy. Yeah, it's the best.